Hey guys, our last story for the week is called Star Patterns. So this is going to be about different stars and the patterns that they can make in the sky. So I want you to think, is this a fiction story or a nonfiction story? As we're reading, this is our last week of officially looking at sound, like in fur and finger and dirt. So remember, it can be UR, ER, and IR that make the sound. Our high frequency words are earth and every. And I want you to think, what star patterns do you think you will see? On a clear night, we can see so many stars in the sky. The stars look like twinkling dots of light. Why do the stars look like dots? They are so far from the planet Earth. Stars are much further away than the sun. Oh man. So, what are some facts that you've learned on this page? And then pause it and see if you can find any R control vowels. So, AR, ER, IR, UR, and even OR. So, see if you can find any of those. I see an AR one. Stars are huge globes of burning, swirling gases. White stars have more heat than red or yellow stars. Oh man, there's different kinds of stars. I didn't know that. Long ago, people made patterns by connecting the stars. The Great Hunter is one of those patterns. So here it looks like a bow. Oh, okay, cool. Perhaps the best known star pattern is the Great Bear. Can you see this shape in the sky? So tonight and in science, we're talking about different stars if you go out in the night sky. So you can see if you can find any, and they're called constellations. So see if you can find any, and your parents can maybe help you too. The Big Dipper is part of the Great Bear. The Big Dipper is a pattern that looks like a big pot. So here's the example of the pot. So see if you can find those. Every girl and boy can gaze at the stars. So try it later on. See what patterns you can find in the sky. And here are sounds: burning, dipper, further, girl, hunter. Later, pattern, perhaps, swirling. Can you find these words in the book? Earth and every. So be on the lookout for these. See if you can find these in the story. So go back and look. And then also, I want you to think about what facts that you learned about stars that you didn't know about before and write them down in your notebook. All right, bye guys. I hope you like the story.